Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, driver, knee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.